Just want to thank the Lord in a special way for helping all the paperwork to come together for this container. Thought I'd take a few pictures and show you a little bit of what's going on. So here we are in the back of the container. We've got Kendrick up there and got Caleb pulling stuff to the back, and then different ones are coming and loading it on their shoulder. We loaded it the easy way, and now we're unloading it the more difficult way. Taking the stuff and putting it in here where we'll sort it and unload it. Even the young guys are doing their best. It's a nice open area so that we can sort everything. There's Sister Sandra. She's breaking up the ice, trying to make it where we can get some cold water. This is Naomi, Adonai's daughter. There's Brother Edgardo's son. We go just a little bit more, just kind of taking our time, getting everything opened up. Kenton, you headed out there to get a box? Cool. Good. All right. Well, that's cool. Go get you one. Come on. There we go. Sometimes we got to do them two people for a box. Some of these are heavy. Kendrick, you got anything to say, Bubba?
It's hot.
Isn't this cool? Caleb, what you got to say, Bubba?
It's really hot.
Oh, come on. You're just being a mimic. All right, so Kenton's waiting for a box that's big enough his size so that he can get one. You got something Kenton can handle? Reach up top and get something he can get. You just wait, they'll get you something. We are very thankful. Just in short, we are very thankful to each church and each person that helped make this possible. There were a lot that gave money so that we could buy things. And there were a lot of people that gave for this to come together, from the Cincinnati area, from Dayton area, from South Carolina, from Indiana. We've got a list of everybody that gave, and we'll eventually work our way through it, but God bless each one of you who helped make this possible. In the next few days and weeks ahead, we'll be starting to go into some of the communities, and we'll also post some pictures and stuff as well. Let me see if I can find. Here we got one that was heavier for one, too heavy for one. We even from Miracle Hill gave some queen size mattresses to come down. And here is Brother Edgardo. His daughter Eliana has a birthday today, and she also starts online classes. So she's doing her online classes. And we'll talk to Brother Edgardo a little later on.